Alright, so in today's video, we're going to be connecting our one to Wi-Fi using Wi-Fi Direct SAP. So let's get started. If you're a new user and you've set up a new account, just log into your account and then you'll see the setup wizard prompt to set up a controller. Okay, so you can see here we've got the green button, run the setup wizard. If you're adding another controller to an existing account, you can always go to controller settings by pressing the menu in the top left, controller settings, and then you'll also find the setup wizard there. Or if you're just going to update your Wi-Fi network, if you've changed Wi-Fi or want to connect to a different network, you would go to controller settings and then start the wizard. Okay. Once you hit start the wizard, you'll hit the connect to Wi-Fi button. It'll ask you to enter the serial number, which I've already entered there. You hit continue, connect to Wi-Fi, and then you go through the setup. If it asks you to set up Bluetooth and to turn it on, just make sure you hit yes. Otherwise it won't work since it uses Bluetooth to communicate. So now we will use the Wi-Fi Direct SAP mode. It's going to ask us to push the side button twice on our X2. So let's have a look at that. So you can see the one isn't plugged in yet. There's the black button that you push twice. The serial number will usually be on the face here or on a sticker. So let's go ahead and plug it in on the side. Once it's plugged in, you should see the screen say hello. Once it says hello, you can push the side button twice. So 1, 2. And then it will say SAP. You can then go back to your app, continue when LED is blinking. So this is the important part where you need to swipe down on your phone, go to Wi-Fi settings, and then from your Wi-Fi settings, you need to select your Hunter X2 device, which in this case is the Hunter X2164. It will connect and say there's no internet connection and all those things, which is fine because there is no internet connection, which is why we're connecting it to Wi-Fi. All right, so it's going to do its little thing. It might take a few seconds. All right, so you can see it's connected without internet and it's not secured. Once again, that part's all fine since there is no internet connection. So once you've connected, you press your multitask button, go back into the app, and we press continue when connected. At this point, it should bring up the next screen, which will allow you to select the Wi-Fi network you're going to connect to. So you can either type in your network name and put the password in, or you can hit refresh, and then that will show you the list of available networks that you can connect to. So let's go select our 2.4 gigahertz network. We'll go ahead and enter in the password. All right, so once you've entered the password, hit connect, and then it will say connect to network. Connecting to AP. At this point, you can press the multitask button again, and you can go back to the app, and then just wait for it. You can hit continue when connected. Connecting to Hydrawise. You can either hit continue here, or you can kind of just wait for it. And then you'll notice once you press continue, it'll say connection successful. And if you go back to your X2 display, you'll then see that it will say online. So once you're online, you can pretty much walk away from your X2 and wand, go back to your app and continue setting up your programming. All right, so that will be another video. So this video is more on just connecting to Wi-Fi using Direct SAP. Hope that helped everyone. If you have any questions, please leave some comments, like and subscribe. Thank you everyone. See ya.